less lift trucks here. Our customer called and said that he wasn't getting any spark, and this is our problem right here. We have the ignition coil, the old one, and we have the new one. As you can see, this one has it heated up and popped the top. It also had a crack, and that's why he's not getting any spark. He drained the battery, so we have the jumper cables hooked up on the service truck. We'll throw this thing in there and get him up and running. He called us this morning. Took us about 45 minutes to get here. 9 times out of 10, if you guys are down and out, we'll make you first priority. If it can wait, or it's a problem that is not urgent, we'll give you a time frame as to when we can get there, but it's usually within 24-48 hours on stuff like that. And if you're down and out, we will do our best to get there ASAP. We installed that brand new coil because the old one had the cap all busted up and was not giving us spark. Let's give this a shot, see if we know what we're doing. There we go. You or anybody you know needs forklift service, from hydraulic seals, tires, motor work, transmission, and anything in between that we missed, give us a call.